Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you how you can sign in into the German American online banking account. So then here first of all open a new browser and on the search bar you type in germanamerican.com and press enter. This will direct you to its official web page, and on the web page on the side you will be able to see the red box option. Here you can see it's already on the online banking option. So here you provide your user ID and your password and click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will get logged in into your banking account. But just in case if you forgot your user ID details or your password, you can click on this link provided below, forgot user ID or password. With this link, you will be able to recover your account credential details. Recover the account password, you need to choose your phone number and then you type in your user ID and click on send me new password, and you will be recovering your account password. For the username, you can click on I forgot my username, and here you type in your email address and click on send. They will send you a further instruction for how you can recover your username. This is how you can easily log in into the German American Bank online banking account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to the Logging In channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.